We have developed an aggregation of photogrammetric algorithms and machine learning algorithms to compute the height of each attribute and each object detected by our semantic segmentation algorithm. To bring into account the concept of height in our end-to-end pipeline, we deal with stereoscopic images. Stereoscopic images are nothing but two different images taken of the same region by the same satellite from two different locations. So basically, the first stereo image pair and the second stereo image pair looks laterally shifted, as you can see uh, in the in the illustration shown in the screen. So basically, taking the example, say for example, of this building. This building has a lateral shift with respect to the two stereoscopic image pairs. So we bring into account and we exploit this lateral shift to derive the exact height of different objects and different attributes. So basically, using these stereoscopic images, we derive a disparity map which takes into account the constraints of epipolar geometry and scale invariant features for all the significant attributes which we are dealing with. Once the disparity map is obtained, each feature in the disparity map relates to the height. So basically, the value of the disparity for a particular feature in the disparity map is directly proportional to its absolute height in real world. So once the disparity map is obtained and we perform a set of mathematical operations, we arrive at a digital elevation model which looks something like this. So as you can see over here, trees, buildings, houses, and all the attributes which evidently have an elevated height are looking prominent, and it's quite clear over here in the digital elevation model that they render a height via our algorithm. So the level and the level of detail and the granularity which we obtain over here is quite significant and it's quite prominent. Um, the the height measurements precision is up to plus minus 1 meter, and the geo encoded, the geo reference data is also into unit meters precision. So once the elevation data is obtained through our developed algorithm, we exploit this to classify various trees as potential hazards or not. So basically what we do is we classify trees into two subcategories wherein our model tells that whether a tree is above 9 meter height or whether a tree is below 9 meter height. So as you can see over here, uh, the the model takes as input the satellite image which is below the distribution line which is shown over here. So this satellite image is at 0.5 meter resolution, and it gives output a heat map which is geo encoded and which tells that where the trees are above 9 meter height and where the trees are below 9 meter height, and it tells what is grass and what are non-vegetation regions. So as you can see over here, black color represents trees which are above 9 meter height, dark gray color represents trees which are below 9 meter height, light gray represents grass, and white represents non-vegetation regions. So in order to validate the performance of a model, we can quickly check whether this data being given is correct or not. Now as you can see, this is a distribution line running across a road, and it says that it is going through it through a dark gray patch. Now our model says that a dark gray patch is a tree which is below 9 meter height. So if we try to validate this on street view, we can quite prominently see that the distribution line is going well above the trees. So this is validated that these trees are below 9 meter height. Now seeing a similar example, if we try to visualize a tree which is above 9 meter height. Say for example, we take this instance. Now over here the model is saying that the tree is passing, that the distribution line is passing through a tree which is above 9 meter height. As you can see over here, this is a black region, and black region signifies that the tree is above 9 meter height. So when we try to validate this on Google Street View, we'll get a similar example. So as you can see over here, this tree, if we try to look it from a different view, it says that this tree is above 9 meter height, and as you can see over here, distribution line is passing from within the tree. So this clearly indicates that our model is giving the accurate result. It says that it is above 9 meter height, and also it is above the height of the distribution line.